Fresh Kid Z, Fresh Kid C, yes, sir. Fresh Kid P, Fresh Kid T. Oh yeah, we back. Oh, and Zafoon, by the way. Yeah, Jones. Yeah. And we pretty much amazing. Can we hear your new song, please? I got you. Hey yo, I once was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems. When I get it, I'ma pound it out.
Whoa, Will, you're doing it all wrong.
What do you mean, Coach?
That's terrible. You gotta... I mean, see, the three-point line is like a semicircle, so you have to run tangent to it.
What is tangent?
Well, let me teach you a little lesson about math, Will.
Alright.
So...
But this is basketball, this isn't math.
It's all about math.
Alright.
See, the goal is the center of the circle. The three-point arc kept going around, and then it would make a circle.
I see that.
So if you run tangent to the three-point line,
Tangent is...
that is when the line only touches the circle at one point. Okay?
So like that.
Yeah. So you just have to run tangent to the three-point line and turn it at a 90-degree angle in order to make it.
So 90 degrees bang?
Yeah. It's exactly like theorem 10.1.
10.1.
If a line is tangent to a circle, then it is perpendicular to the radius drawn to the point of tangency.
Oh, I get it, Coach. So if the three-point line extended to make a full circle, then the basket would be the center.
Yeah.
And so if I turn tangent to the, if I'm at tangent to the three-point line and turn at a 90-degree angle, then I'll be shooting the radius to the center of the circle.
Exactly.
I get it. Let me give this a shot.
Alright.
Down, got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDE. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track.
Jackson,
What, Coach?
what are you doing?
I'm dunking.
That's not dunking.
I mean, I'm trying to. I mean, it's hard.
You want me to teach you how to dunk?
Yeah.
Alright. Dunking is all about the Pythagorean theorem.
Well, what is that?
You know what the Pythagorean theorem is?
No? Yeah.
Alright. The Pythagorean theorem is... In a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the legs. In other words, a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
So how does that help?
Alright, come here and I'll show you.
Okay.
Raise your hand up in the air. Now, from the rim to your hand, it is 14 inches. So there's your first leg of the triangle.
Okay.
Now, you're going to step 3 feet back. Alright, so that's 36 inches from you to the goal. So this is your second leg of the triangle. So here are your two legs that form a 90-degree angle. So now you can find the hypotenuse. Raise your hand up. From here to the rim to see how far you have to soar through the air to dunk. So it's 14 squared plus 36 squared equals c squared.
Well, how are we going to find c squared?
Let's go solve it. Okay, so here's the goal. And here's you, holding the ball. Okay, so this makes the first leg of the triangle. This makes the second leg of the triangle, creating a 90-degree angle. Legs A and B. We already said that A is equal to 14 inches, and B is equal to 36 inches. So now, in order to find out how many inches in the air you need to soar to dunk, we find the hypotenuse, c. So the equation of a squared plus b squared equals c squared is 14 squared plus 36 squared equals c squared. 14 squared equals 196. 36 squared equals 1,296 equals c squared. Add them together, you get 1492. And then you square root it, and then you get approximately 38.6 inches, if you round to the nearest tenth. Alright, ready to soar those 38.6 inches through the air for the dunk?
Yeah, let's do it.
Woo! Now I've learned how to play basketball using math.
And I can ace my math test.
Like you the one drinking what godsip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. Upper Valley boy, plus Maybach. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
Sometimes I get a good feeling.